Hi everyone, I want to go over just a tricky example that I see in your homework set from chapter 10. It's objective 3. And here's just an example that I'll pull up with kind of a conglomeration of numbers. So Pierre Carter's cumulative wages for the year, not including the current pay period, total $96,300. Calculate the amount of Social Security and Medicare to be withheld from Carter's current gross pay of $3,660. Now, the first thing that you just want to note is for the purpose of these assignments, your Social Security percent withholding will be 6.2%. So if you remember how to turn that into a decimal, you take 6.2, you divide it by 100, and that's why you end up here with this 0.062. So turn it to a decimal. Also, your Medicare percent withholding is 1.45%. And if I divide that by 100, I move the decimal 1, 2 to the left, and I have 0.0145. And this is what I will be using when I compute my my values. So first what we're going to do is we're going to compute our Social Security tax withholding. And note in this problem it says Social Security tax withholding only come out if the income goes up to $97,500. Notice in our example here that he is at $96,300, which is getting really close to $97,000. So if we take our Social Security, if we take our $36,60, which is our gross pay, and we add it to $96,300, we will go over the $97,500. So remember, our $97,500 is our cap. Thus, to find the taxable income, you're going to subtract $97,500, which is your cap, take away your where you were, $96,300, and you have $1,200, taxable dollars for Social Security. So that's the income that you can be taxed on there, not the $36,60, not that whole amount, just the $1,200 is your taxable income. So now if we go here, 1,200 times 0.062, we end up with $74.40. So the next step is then computing your Medicare withholding. So to do that, you just use the same steps from objective 2. Oh no, maybe it's the beginning. Sorry, of objective 3. Pardon me, this is all objective 3. So you're going to take your 3660 and you're going to multiply it by your tax withholding for Medicare, which is 1.45% or 0.0145, and you get $53.07. And lastly, one last step is if you want to compute the total withholding, you're going to add both of your values together. So for my Social Security tax, you will be withholding for Pierre $74.40 plus the Medicare, which is $53.07 there. You're going to add those together, and your total withholding will be $127.47.